The good thing about the Grom compared to other 125s, or actually just most bikes in general, is the pure amount of bolt-on modifications for the damn things. Yeah, you're probably going to want to get your head checked out if you bought one of these with the intention of taking it to the track to try and slay some Panigales, but if you're happy with going low and slow, or you just fancied a small bike to stunt about on, there are plenty of things that you can do to these little MSXs that'll keep you occupied for an eternity. Now I kinda give you an idea as to what I wanted to do with my Grom in the last video, but for the guys that are new around here, and for the people that just weren't paying attention last time round, I'm gonna take you through all the mods that I've bought so far for this project, and hopefully make a start. Let's get into it. Before I delve into the unboxing, I want to give a big shout out to Amplify Detailing, who've kindly provided me with a discount code for all you guys to use. Whether you're into your bikes or your cars, they all need cleaning at some point, and while your dad thinks fairy liquid and a sponge is the holy grail of car cleaning, let me tell you, it's not. Amplify have an extensive line of products ranging from snow foam, shampoos and wheel cleaners to get the tough dirt off, all the way to ceramic waxes and detailing sprays so you can keep that shine a little bit longer. And I've bought all of this gear for just a smidge over £40 and I'm really impressed with it. If you use code LUXSHIP15 at checkout, you'll be able to save a fair wedge off your order too. I'll leave a link to their website down in the description, so finish up watching this and go have a browse. You can never have too many microfiber towels in my opinion. Right, so let's crack on with this unboxing. I was planning on doing this outside, but the Great British weather has other ideas, so you'll have to bear with me in the garage. Another bit of bad news. Due to the coronavirus, which has had us in lockdown for the past 4 months, I'm still waiting on 1 or 2 pieces to arrive, but I'll show you what they are later on in the video. The first package that I've got here is everything that I've ordered from the Ruck Shop. First off, we've got the lowering kit for the front forks, which will give the front end a nice 2-inch drop. Next up, I've got the rear lowering link. Now, I've opted for a 4.5 inch drop on the rear shock, but I bought this before I saw people stancing their Groms out on bags, so I'll see how it goes with this for now, and you never know, I might revisit the air ride route sometime in the future. These 2 plastic blocks are risers for the race bars, so spoiler alert, there are new handlebars in this box as well, and they aren't the rental ones that everybody seems to buy. I could fit the bars without the risers, but I don't want to risk rubbing against all of the plastics, so I've bought them to stop everything from getting scratched up. Now I'm going to leave totaling up how much I've spent on everything for another day and another video, but I'll tell you what, it's all worth it when you get some free stickers and a pineapple lolly. So, a new chain. But Luke, the bike's only got 84 miles in it, why do you need a new chain? Well, if you haven't guessed it already, well, it's not for that, those are the bars. It's the stretch kit. Yep, that's right, I want my Grom to handle like shit, so I'm going to stretch the back of it right out, and to do that you need this piece of kit that slides into your existing swing arm. You actually get a chain braking tool included when you buy the stretch kit, which is handy if you don't have one already. It saves you breaking out the angle grinder, so that's sound. Aha, yes, here are the bars. Now, obviously, I'll have to build them up as they come in 3 pieces, but once I do, they should look like this. I'll stick a picture on screen. They're pretty much completely flat, so you will have to lean a bit further forward, but I just prefer the look of them over the standard ones, or even the rentals that everybody seems to get. And the last bit of kit in this package is just another bag for the stretch kit, I believe, so there's nothing flash to show you there, really. If I move all that gear out the way, I'll move on to the only part that I've bought, well, so far anyway, from eBay. These are just some universal bar end mirrors, and I was really surprised with the quality of them, for the price anyway. I think I paid something like £15 or £20 for the pair, and they feel absolutely solid. I'm well chuffed with them. So yeah, I'm planning on wrapping the bike, and I know it's going to be tricky, and I probably haven't bought enough vinyl to do it all in a day, because even though the Grom is pretty small for a bike, it's still a bit bigger than what I expected it to be when I eventually had mine delivered. Yep, that's right, I'd only ever seen them online before I bought mine. Buying blind on the internet is so much fun. Anyway, bit boring, but presumably there's going to be some things that I want to wrap gloss black, so I've bought her all of that. Now I don't want to give away the main colour that the bike is going to be wrapped in just yet, but I'll show you the stuff that I'll be using for some of the little details. Sparkly, eh? Some of you beady-eyed viewers might have noticed the TST Industries tape on the front of this next box already, and I've been dying to open this for weeks now. Yep, that's right, I went balls to the wall and bought the Hyper Pack from the guys at TST across the pond. The reason I said I'll probably give the R&G tail tidy away that's already fitted to the bike is because this pack is going to get rid of that comically large exhaust, and leaving the number plate where it is would probably just mean I'd melt it. There's a fender eliminator to smooth out the underside of the seat, along with a box with all the electrical bits needed to fit the new rear light. Because the law states in the UK that the rear indicators have to be more than 240mm apart, I'll have to wire in some more discreet blinkers elsewhere on the bike, like this guy did, for it to pass its annual MOT test. In the box there's also flush mount indicators for the front, along with some relays and lights and brackets for the number plate on the back. Unfortunately, the exhaust system that I've chosen had the colour option discontinued, which I was planning on picking. I've bought it anyway, but rather than the mid and downpipe being sprayed matte black, I'm gonna have to do it myself, and I'm shit at spraying stuff, so hopefully I don't mess it up too bad, because I need to do it justice. Now, when I said Hyperpack, you guys mightn't know what exhaust is included in the package, but I can tell you now it's a Tochi undertail system. I'm not entirely sure how to fit the reg plate back on once it's all in place. I might need a smaller one, but I'm sure I'll figure something out. I've seen video clips of this thing fitted and it sounds absolutely awesome. It probably isn't worth anywhere near as much as I paid for it because you can get a similar sound for a lot less, but believe me, it's gonna look good. So I've bought a set of fairings, and they're on the way apparently. God knows where they are though. They'll be an absolute bitch to wrap, but they'll transform the look of the bike, I reckon. I was going to go for just the belly pan fairing, but I quite like the idea of riding around on something that looks like a mini superbike with the power of a lawnmower, just for shits and gigs. The one thing that I've held off buying is the wheels, because although the fatty kits look awesome, I'm not sure what will suit the bike more once all the mods are fitted, so I'll make a decision about them further down the line once everything's wrapped and that. Right, I'm going to leave it there for now. It's definitely time to start making some changes to this thing, so make sure you stick around and I'll break out the spanners in the next video. Remember to do all that good stuff, you know, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!